Welcome back. We love learning more about the law and how it can serve you. In this week's Family Law Basics, we chat with Aaron Bundy from Bundy Law Office about what you need to know when considering custody. He's got some great tips on how you can expect the best results when hiring the professionals. Take a look. We are continuing our series with Bundy Law Office, where you can hear from professionals answering your questions regarding family law. We've got Aaron Bundy back with us today, and this segment is sponsored by Bundy Law Office. And today we're talking about care for children. So, Aaron, I got to ask, what can extended family do when the parents of a child aren't providing proper care?
So that is generally an unpleasant topic because it means a parent is unavailable for some reason to take care of their own children.
Yeah.
But it happens enough where there's a body of law for those scenarios.
Wow.
And there are really two for those extreme circumstances when a parent is unfit or unavailable for some reason. If they're in prison, if they have a severe substance abuse problem or other disability that's impairing their ability to parent, then either the state can get involved through child welfare investigators and agencies and place kids with third-party foster parents, or a family member like a grandparent, aunt, or uncle, someone who's trusted and able to take care of the kids, can intervene and get guardianship of the kids.
Okay, interesting. How frequent do you encounter this?
Quite a bit. We work in this area. We practice in the area of family law, and it's not uncommon. Again, our idea is that parents have their kids, right? But there are obviously situations where that's not the case, and someone else has to intervene.
Yeah, for sure. And you spoke to some of those reasons before. How does this happen? How does a child or a family find themselves in this scenario?
There are a number of scenarios. When one parent passes away and the other parent has either a major significant health issue where they just can't care for their own children, or they have other legal problems like criminal matters, anything that would suggest that they are unfit to have their kids, including severe substance abuse problems, then someone else is going to take care of those kids.
Okay. Now, in terms of the two big options, state intervention or extended family, which is preferred, Aaron?
If extended family is around and available, that is almost always the ideal, because they know they generally have some type of relationship. The child knows them, which is really important, and you don't have this child being placed with a stranger. So there are times where maybe extended family doesn't know what's going on with these parents, and the state gets involved first.
Yeah.
The state's going to be looking first for extended family. Are there aunts, uncles, grandparents who could potentially come in and help and do the right thing by this child?
Yeah. Okay. How can your law office help with this?
So we do this all the time. We represent parents who have had children removed and help them get back on their feet. And we represent third parties like aunts, uncles, and grandparents to assist them with guardianship and to assist them if the state is looking to them for possible placement. They can contact us by texting or calling 479-579-2121, or they can email info@bundy.law.
Okay, that's the place you heard it here. Aaron Bundy, Bundy Law Office is the place you want to reach out to. Thanks again for joining us. And remember, we have these segments happening each week on Tuesdays, so stay tuned for the next Bundy Law Office segment coming up next week. Thanks, Aaron.
Thank you.